Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Rizzguy token. Now the Rizzguy token is trending right now on Dext Screener. There's a bunch of Rizz tokens that are doing very well. I did a video on Rizzmas when it first came out. That token is exploding right now. And then I did a video today. I'm posting it up on it's called Rizz. Name of the token's Rizz and ticker symbol's Rizz. That one's doing very well. That one's trending all over the place. And then we also have Rizzguy. I did a video on that maybe about 2 days ago. And now we're talking about Rizzguy, which is a combination of the Rizzmas meme and the Chillguy meme mashed together. And so now we have Rizzguy. And we're going to go over the Rizzguy token, the information on it, and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, at Rizzguy CTO is the Twitter. Now, CTO stands for Community Takeover. And most likely the dev has abandoned the project, and now the community is running the show. And usually they have a Dext Screener claim about community takeovers. We're going to check that in a second to see if that is right. So at Rizzguy, CTO is the Twitter, and it says, I'm just the Rizzguy, known for my ability to rizz up any female I see in sight, which is kind of redundant there. A lot of people think I'm just chill, but I'm also Rizzy. And then it has a link to their Telegram at Rizzguy CTO. Now, they just joined Twitter November 2024, 773 followers, 55 tweets. And then in their pinned tweet, they have a link to the Telegram, but then they also have the contract address. Now, the contract address ends in pump because this token was created on a web page for creating Solana meme coins called pump.fun. So this token here is available on Radium. You may also be able to get it on other dexes like Jupiter, Orca, Meteora. If you follow the socials, maybe they'll get some central exchange listings in the future. But like I said, it's real easy to find the contract address right in the pinned tweet there. So if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet. You could use a Phantom wallet, a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet. Any one of those wallets would do, and you could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC. Not open an account, you would get a Chrome extension on your PC. I'm thinking of central exchanges, sorry. You would get a download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you go into the dApps, you would find Radium, and then you would trade your Sol for the Rizzguy token using the contract address you could find right there in their pinned tweet. You could also find it on SolScan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Birdeye. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes yet. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of Radium. If you scroll through their tweets, you're going to find all sorts of funny memes of the Rizzguy, doing all sorts of stuff. But their Telegram they looks like they have two different telegrams here. One of them is at Rizzguy Portal. That one has 951 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. But that one's going to be a great place to see updates, new partnerships, token listing announcements, things like that. And then this telegram right here is the community chat one at Rizzguy CTO. 5,039 members, 15 of them online. That's going to be a good place to talk to other community members about the project, ask questions, discuss, all that type of stuff. So this is a brand new token. The token pair was just created 14 hours, 53 minutes ago on Radium. So it's very brand new, not even a day old yet. And yeah, trending right now, number 15 on DEX Screener. Now they have been doing some marketing on DEX Screener. You can see they have the Marketing Boost 1000 Lightning Bolts ads button on there. It says DEX Tools says they have 23,230 holders so far. So they're doing very well with a big market cap here. $2.5 million market cap. In the past 24 hours, they're up 2,427%. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $31.2 million. They've had 161,460 transactions. They have here $287,000 worth of liquidity in Radium. And according to DEX Screener, 99.95% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price right now, 0.0025 USD. And they do have a quick audit on DEX Screener. It says no freezable tokens and no mintable tokens, and contract is not freezable. And then on DEX Tools, they have a different audit by Quick Intel Security, and it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. They have a community trust score of 88.9% out of 9 votes. They have a DEX score of 82 out of 99. Now they lost some points for lack of information because they don't have a web page, because it is a community takeover. Now they have a total supply and circulating supply of 999.99 million tokens. And they do have a community takeover claim on DEX Screener. It says, Rizzguy community takeover, a community claimed ownership for this token November 27th. So yesterday, probably just after the token came out, we decided to CTO this project since the dev ruined such a solid narrative. So yeah, go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.